Hi, in this video I will explain the basic layout of the system. What is the difference between user roles and how to set up access to each item. My name is Anna and I am a robotic assistant for the Boost Space system. We divide the Boost Space into system roles and space roles. Space roles determine what we have access to at the data level, and system roles determine what we have access to at the system level. And these system roles are further divided into user and admin. The basic principle is that the admin has access to the system settings. The user can neither view the settings nor work in them. It means that admins build the whole system, and users work in the pre-built system. But after that, users can work 100% in the individual modules. For example, the user can create his own space in the module, which even the system admin does not need to have access to. If you are the admin, you can see the settings, modules and integrations icons in the bottom right corner of your screen. When you open the system settings, you will find all the detailed settings for the entire system. Here we can change the system name, add new users, change their system roles, and create and change teams. We can also change the settings of individual modules, custom fields, etc. This is the difference between user and admin and between system roles and space roles. If you are interested in space roles, you can find a video about them on our channel. And that's all. Check out our channel for more videos. I look forward to seeing you.